I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the data you need now. Enable location and Wi-Fi, open your Maps app, and sign in so downloads sync. Then pick the region you'll travel through and tap the offline download option. Choose the level of detail so roads, POI, and transit data come with it. Once done, select storage location, internal or SD, and confirm the download fits free space. Make sure the map shows a completion indicator before you go offline. Next, configure how navigation will use your downloaded files. Go into Settings and set offline as the preferred data source so the app favors local maps. Enable offline voice guidance and any downloaded traffic packs. Then pre-cache specific routes by entering your destination, selecting the preferred route, and letting the app fetch all segments and turn-by-turn instructions. Once the route preview completes, you'll have alternate routes and maneuver data stored, which ensures begin navigation while you still have coverage. Start the route, confirm voice prompts, and keep GPS active. Disable battery saver that can throttle location updates. If the app can't reroute offline, try toggling airplane mode off then on to reset satellite fixes, or reopen the app to force a local recalculation. Make sure you update offline maps when connected to Wi-Fi and delete old map areas to free space. This avoids stale data and keeps turn instructions accurate for future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.